Hi guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the soft, pink, little Hello Kitty, Barbie fantasy. So if you want to see how I got into this look, then keep on watching. Okay, we're doing our eyebrows light today. I'm feeling very pink today, so we have a bunch of pink stuff around us. I have my pink little thing and my brush holder that looks kind of dirty, but I swear I tried. My little burn book, because I want to see how this white fares. Well, like I already tried it, but I want to try it again. Then I have my little Barbie palette.
Calling all barbs, calling all barbs.
So we're just doing a very soft pink makeup, and I'm also going to do like some glitter, I think. I mean, it's soft for me, but like glitter can still be very subtle, I feel like. Let's color correct and do stuff real quick. If I can find that brush. Okay, so we're gonna use this, but we're gonna like add white because it's like really dark. I don't know, there was like different ones. I feel like it's a dupe, I don't know. Actually, it probably wouldn't be a dupe because it says it. But they're like a dupe of something. But yeah, these are kind of iconic. I feel so disorganized today. So we're just gonna add some white to that. I love how this isn't even like white. That's disgusting.
Ew!
Just gonna pat some light coral. A really cool palette from Wet n Wild that is cheap as this, and there was a color like what I mixed that was like this and the light orange that is super good for color correcting. Like I feel like if you're not mixing face paint to your makeup, what are you doing? So we do this anywhere that there's blue so we can counteract it. And we set all of this area. Just a little bit, it doesn't matter, but. And then we are going to let it snow for a bit.
It's snowing in California. It's snowing in my neighborhood. It's snowing in Cali. Southern California got some snow. I mean, it's in the streets. God damn!
And then we are going to go in with our Milani foundation in shade 01, Vanilla, Creamy Vanilla. And our pink beauty blender. Oh, that looks so neon on camera. That's hot.
That's hot.
I find applying it to the neck first
My neck.
kind of helps because then you're like working up. And then once I'm done that, I kind of like work out and then back in.
I work out.
I'm sending you both home. Wait a minute, how do you not know what you're signing up for? You dirty did this, girl.
Back rolls.
Clearly the struggle is real.
Also, I have a little bit of forehead acne. We're going to ignore that. We're just going to go over again a little bit more on those areas. But it's okay. Now we're going to set our face with some Kimchi Chic Beauty situation. I feel like the Kimchi Chic Beauty one has definitely got me onto these little butter puffs to set your face because they look so much better. I always found like going immediately with like a beauty sponge, it would crack my entire makeup up immediately, but I find this stops that from happening.
I think you're fat.
Yeah, that's
It's just my opinion. I'm not bullying you. I'm
true,
just
yeah.
giving you a I think you're ugly. I think you're fat. I think you're stupid. These are bullies. These are high school fucking bullies. And they want to come at me and say, you're 29 years old, how you're acting? F you. You're in your 30s.
I find this definitely has a very smoothening effect. And then I leave my nose wet for a little bit.
Wet P-word.
Kind of carve where I want it to go. So you're gonna go, if you guys really want to know, you kind of go right here, but you just sweep it. Okay. And then sweep it. Connect it to the brow. Drag it down. Doesn't matter. Underneath of it. And then you go with your beauty sponge. You just blend that right before it kind of like hits there. So you blend every little bit except that. Then you're gonna go in with some setting powder with your beauty sponge. I just find it like doesn't do good right under here, but you're gonna, or like immediately, you know what I mean? But then you kind of go and you connect that with your powders. Do a little underneath. And then you're gonna go in with your highlighter with the tip of your finger, and you're just gonna go highlight the tip of your nose and the bridge. Then you have a little drag nose. Yes, get into it. I'm gonna contour real quick. You can't say that. So I kept everything very light so far, and I'm gonna continue to keep it light. We just want to kind of look very natural. Also, it's okay to be messy when you're contouring, because then you can just go in with your powders, clean it all up. Okay. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of blush. I'm going to use my Princess and the Frog blush because it's pretty. It's not like pink, it's more of like a purple, but you know, I really think it goes with like a lot of different skin tones. I think it's really pretty, and it kind of helps blend what I have going on. Also, I ordered some Trixie Mattel blush palettes. Super excited for those. Make sure to just put the blush on really with heft. And then we're gonna go in with our powder once again with our little beauty blender. So we're just going to do some reverse kind of baking because people usually do it below. And then we're gonna let that bake for a little bit, and we're gonna go on to the eyes. So I want to first go in with the little Barbie palette and go with Best Coast, which is that pink right there, and just kind of go ham.
Yas Queen, Skinny Legend, Versace boots the house down. Slay Queen, Hunty Mama, and Oop Daddy work. Charlie X, yet snatch my wig.
Some days I like to go in with the bolder color first and then the crease, because I wanted to feel good about myself. We're gonna use a little bit of Vintage Doll, which is like a little bit of a sparkly shade. Just kind of blend this out with it.
Uplands, you own everything. Uplands, you earn everything. Own. Uplands, you own Uplands. Uplands.
That's hot. So we're gonna kind of keep that color because I am gonna keep it soft. So I used like 2 shades. So I'm really excited to wear this wig because it was really expensive but really good. Oh wait, I won't be trying that white if I want to do glitter. You know what? We're just gonna try the white. Okay, we're gonna open up the burn book and use the color of the plastics.
1% is human, 99 is plastic.
Just kind of rub our hands in there and just press in some white.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
I don't really like how that looks in person, but on video it looks fine. I'm just not gonna get closer. Okay, and then we're gonna go back in with our other color, Best Coast, and just pink up right here. And blend it in with Vintage Doll. And then we're gonna go in with some liner real quick. And I start with the bottom one, so I just kind of go right to the tip of where I want it, and then I apply more pressure as I get to here. So then you kind of get that little start, and then you go. I find a pen tip is better than like one of those soft ones. So it's gotta have a little bit of its own shape. So cover your entire lid, and then we're gonna do some mascara. And then we're gonna go in with the mascara and then some lashes. I actually did decide that I wanted glitter, so we are gonna go in with a little bit of white glitter.
Yes, this is happening.
Right on the eye right here. Just a little bit. You can't really see, but in person it's better. And I thought I'd put a couple of these little heart glitters on the bottom of my eye. Some glitter glue. Okay, we have a little bit of hearts. I think we're gonna put on some lashes and then lips. Okay, we're gonna do some soft pink lips. Use my Barbie lipstick. I'm gonna go get into the look and I'll be right back. This purse, I guess.
First.
This little Barbie fantasy. So this is the finished look. Throw on a little Webster wig.
Wig, okay.
Wig, did you just say wig?
Yes.
I know, wig. I feel that already.
What is wig? What is wig?
It's just for us. Wig.
We're on.
Oh, come
We're
on,
here.
man.
Throw on my Shein X Hello Kitty outfit. Just threw it on real quick. So if you like the video, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.